To enhance your gaming experience on the Steam Deck, you may want to adjust settings to manage frame stuttering. Follow these steps to enable the necessary adjustments. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck settings. Navigate to the main menu of your Steam Deck and select the Settings option. This is where you will find various configurations to optimize your gaming experience. Step 2. Go to Performance Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Performance section. Here, you will be able to adjust settings related to frame rates and performance optimization. Step 3. Adjust frame rate limit. In the Performance settings, look for the option to set a frame rate limit. Adjust this setting to a lower frame rate if you are experiencing stuttering, as this can help stabilize performance during gameplay. Step 4. Enable VSync. Find the VSync option in the Performance settings and enable it. This feature helps to synchronize the frame rate of the game with the refresh rate of the display, reducing tearing and stuttering. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making these adjustments, launch a game to test the changes. Monitor the performance and make further adjustments as necessary to find the optimal settings for your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can effectively manage frame stuttering on your Steam Deck and enjoy smoother gameplay. Happy gaming!